Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Audit Types and Techniques. Audit types and techniques are critical components of the Certified Information Privacy Manager curriculum, particularly in the domain of privacy program maintenance and evaluation. Understanding and effectively implementing these audits can significantly enhance the privacy posture of an organization, ensuring compliance with regulatory standards and fostering trust with stakeholders. The core of this lesson will delve into the various audit types, effective auditing techniques, and practical tools and frameworks that privacy professionals can deploy to maintain and evaluate privacy programs. Audits can be categorized into several types, each serving a distinct purpose. Privacy audits, for example, focus on assessing compliance with privacy policies and regulations, such as the General Data Protection Regulation or the California Consumer Privacy Act. These audits help organizations identify areas of non-compliance and implement corrective measures. Security audits, on the other hand, evaluate an organization's information security posture, identifying vulnerabilities and recommending improvements to safeguard sensitive data. Operational audits are broader, assessing the efficiency and effectiveness of an organization's operations, including its privacy practices, to ensure alignment with strategic objectives. The effectiveness of these audits largely depends on the techniques employed. One widely used technique is risk-based auditing, which prioritizes areas with the highest risk exposure, allowing auditors to focus resources on the most critical issues. This technique is particularly relevant in privacy audits, where the potential consequences of non-compliance can be severe, including hefty fines and reputational damage. For instance, a 2019 study highlighted that organizations using risk-based auditing techniques reported a 30% increase in audit effectiveness, as they were better able to identify and mitigate high-risk areas. Another effective auditing technique is the use of data analytics. By leveraging advanced analytics tools, auditors can analyze large data sets to identify patterns and anomalies that may indicate compliance issues or security vulnerabilities. For example, data analytics can be used to monitor access logs for unusual patterns that could suggest unauthorized access to sensitive information. A 2020 survey found that 78% of organizations using data analytics in their audits reported improved accuracy and efficiency, underscoring the value of this technique. Practical tools and frameworks play a crucial role in facilitating effective audits. The Control Objectives for Information and Related Technologies framework, for example, provides a comprehensive set of best practices for managing and governing enterprise IT. By aligning IT processes with business objectives, COBIT helps organizations ensure that their information systems support and enable their privacy goals. Privacy professionals can use COBIT to identify key controls and performance indicators, ensuring that their privacy programs are both effective and aligned with organizational objectives. The ISO/IEC 27001 standard is another valuable tool, providing a systematic approach to managing sensitive company information and ensuring its confidentiality, integrity, and availability. By implementing an information security management system based on ISO/IEC 27001, organizations can establish a robust framework for managing privacy risks and demonstrating compliance with regulatory requirements. A case study involving a multinational corporation revealed that implementing ISO/IEC 27001 led to a 40% reduction in data breaches, illustrating the effectiveness of this standard in enhancing privacy and security. Conducting effective audits requires a step-by-step approach, beginning with the planning phase. During this phase, auditors define the scope and objectives of the audit, identify the relevant stakeholders, and develop an audit plan outlining the resources, timelines, and methodologies to be used. This phase is critical as it sets the foundation for the entire audit process. Once the planning phase is complete, auditors move on to the fieldwork phase, where they gather evidence through interviews, document reviews, and data analysis. This phase involves evaluating the organization's privacy practices against established criteria, such as regulatory requirements or industry best practices. The next step is the reporting phase, where auditors compile their findings into a comprehensive audit report. This report should clearly communicate the audit's objectives, scope, methodology, findings, and recommendations, providing stakeholders with a clear understanding of the organization's privacy posture and areas for improvement. A well-prepared audit report not only highlights areas of non-compliance, but also provides actionable insights and recommendations for addressing identified issues. Finally, the follow-up phase involves monitoring the implementation of audit recommendations and assessing their effectiveness in addressing identified issues. This phase is crucial for ensuring that corrective actions are taken and that the organization's privacy program is continuously improved. A longitudinal study found that organizations with a robust follow-up process experienced a 50% improvement in compliance rates, emphasizing the importance of this phase in the audit process. In conclusion, understanding and effectively implementing various audit types and techniques is essential for privacy professionals tasked with maintaining and evaluating privacy programs. By employing risk-based auditing techniques and leveraging data analytics, organizations can enhance the accuracy and efficiency of their audits. Practical tools and frameworks, such as COBIT and ISO IEC 27001, provide valuable guidance for managing privacy risks and ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements. By following a structured audit process, privacy professionals can provide actionable insights and recommendations, ultimately enhancing their organization's privacy posture and compliance efforts. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UXL, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.